Morning guys, welcome to Jamieson Strange UK and welcome to another episode of Jamieson's Rail Adventures. This is a 400 subscriber special, so once again I'd like to thank you all for getting as far as 400 subs. I'm currently sitting at we'll load up. Right. So far this channel is up to 421 subscribers. Here we go. So yeah, I'd like to thank you all for the subs. So the plans for this episode, I'm going to start a new series for the channel. Originally I was going to do it after New Year, but I decided, you know what, we'll go for it. For the 400 sub special, we'll just go for it. So what I'm going to be doing, right, I'm going to be doing this with a few different trains. So I'm going to be filming a journey on all the 318s, 320s, all the 158s, all the turbo stars. Basically it's a bit of a challenge, because the idea is I've got to spend the next few days filming a journey on start a train from the fleet, and I'm not allowed to give up. I'm not allowed to, like, you know, have a break until all the trains are filmed. Well, the only time I'm allowed to give myself a break if it's like the weekend and things like that, but even then I'll probably not give up. So the train I'm going to be filming for this episode will be the class 314, since they've not got long to go. So I thought film a journey on all the class 314s, and there's only 16 units in the fleet, so it's a good restart. There's only 16 units in the fleet, and they're all based in Glasgow, so it's a nice easy start because of the time of the year as well. Yeah, 314 is a good start. So it's going to be a challenge for us for the next few days. I reckon it'll take me about 2 or 3 days to film a journey on all the class 314s, and they've got to be full journeys. I'm not allowed to film them from, you know, Glasgow to Paisley or Glasgow to Port Shields and things like that. There's got to be the full train service. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with that, but I reckon today we should be able to get half the fleet at least, so fingers crossed. But yeah, it should be a good wee challenge for us. Looking forward to start it when I get into Glasgow, so yeah. But anyhow, I've got to get ready and that, get a train into Glasgow and start the 314 filming. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you all. I'll give you a wee update in a bit, see how we're getting on. So alright guys, we just arrived in Glasgow Central. It's a bit of a falling start, if I'm honest with you, because 1 or 2 314s I checked get replaced by 380s. Fucking 380s. Fucking off. But yeah, hopefully we're going on the Cathcart circle, but hopefully it's a 314. If not, I'm just going to take it anyway, just to burn a bit of time for the 750 in Nielsen. So yeah, whatever we get, we'll go from there. It's a unit pulling in. It's not a 314. Let's see. No, I don't think that's ours. There's a 320 pulling in. Oh, what's that? It's a 320. Anyway, I'll give you a wee update, like, see how we get on, so see you on a bit. Alright guys, we update for yous. We're at Guruk at the moment. I have filmed 3 314's, 3 journeys on a 314, so that's 3 out of 16. So I filmed a journey on 314 204 Cathcart Circle, 204 Glasgow to Jamieson, which is a fast service. And now we filmed the journey on 314 216 from Glasgow to Guruk. So yeah, 3 done, 13 to go. So yeah, I'll give you a wee update later on, see how many more we can try grab the day. So yeah. Alright guys, wee update for yous. We're back at Guruk, like several hours later. Managed to film another 3 314 units. Filmed 314 201 Glasgow to Paisley Canal, 314 208 Glasgow to Queens Bay, and we just after filmed 314 203 from Glasgow to Guruk. So yeah, that's 6 in total out of 16, so we still got another 10 units. Fuck, sitting on that for over an hour. Oh, it's going to the bite anyway. But yeah, the plan is we take this 314 back to Glasgow, gotta get something to eat. I might do another couple of units, if not I'll just get home and try to deal with the rest tomorrow on Saturday. So yeah, I'll update these in a bit, but let's watch the 380 leave. It's supposed to be a 314, but let's watch the 380. What unit is it? Double 02. Oh, by the way, we need to look out for 380 102. Because that unit's get first class. But anyway, yeah, going to head back to Glasgow, so I'll give you a wee update later on. Alright guys, we're back in Glasgow Central. from the last update we found 314-209, and that's from Jamieson to Glasgow Central. I spotted 2 here. And by the way, this is before we get the 12:15 train back to Kilwinning. So I might not be able to get these 2 units first thing in the morning, but let's see. Yes, 314. Right, we've already had that one. And by the way, it's for the vlog and all, so better get as much as we can get. And that's 314-216. So yeah, we had that one to Guruk, and we had that one to Paisley Canal. So not new for now, but anyway, this is our train getting back home. We've got a lot of sticky scenery. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing anyway. 380. Is that 102? No, it's not. It says 380-022. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, like, because I've got a 3-hour sleep, what I'll do is, like, I'll give you a quick update when I'm arriving into Glasgow Central tomorrow morning. Because, yeah, get 3 hours to sleep, so yep, see you all tomorrow morning. Alright guys, we update for you. It's day number 2 of all the 314s. Unfortunately, I have slept in, so I don't think I'm going to get as much done today that I did yesterday, but needed that sleep. So unfortunately, I think we can only get at least 2 or 3 units done today, and then got the rest to catch up tomorrow. Might need to extend it to Sunday, but yep, we've only got 9 more units to do. But if I stick to the Cathcart Circle lines, Newton, Neilston, Paisley Canal, I should be able to get a few done today. But if I do Guruk or Waynes Bay, well, that's just going to take a bit of time, isn't it? But we'll see how we got on. But yep, going to head down to the station. In fact, no, first of all, because it's 11 o'clock, there's a wee Chinese that's opened, so I'm going to get myself some salt chili chicken, salt chili chips and curry sauce. You cannot beat that on the train. Just think of the 380 because it's only a 380. Don't like them, but honestly that is well good. Oh, who's texting me now? But anyway, stop texting! Tell my mom you! Anyway, I'll catch up with you when we get to Glasgow. Well, it's 380-007. Better not break my camera, you bastard. 007. Right, anyway, let me see how it. Broken. By the way, sorry for the late updates. I'll explain it to you, but if this camera survives. 380-007, name and shame. and that area is 011. So as you may notice, we're back at Kawinning, but I'll do a proper update when we get back in the house, so I'll see you on a bit. Alright guys, we're back in the house. Sorry I did not do regular updates today. Everywhere I went is completely heaving. It's completely jumping because of the Black Friday. So yeah, this is the only time when I get to do this proper update from today. But also we didn't do much really today, but apart from taking 314-206 from Glasgow to Guru came back. I managed to film that, so that's another 314 ticked in the book. But I decided to get back home early because I'm completely knackered, as you may noticed. I am so freaking dopey. But also I had to go and get my dad something for his birthday, so yeah, I had to do that. That's a #1 priority before the 314. Just remember kids, family comes first. But yeah, after we did that, we took 380-007 and 380-011, I think it is, from Glasgow to Kawinning. And I'm surprised this camera's still working. Is it broken? No. Hold on. No, it's not. Right, so that's that for today really. So we've only filmed 314-206 and basically got my dad's birthday present and kind of bailed after that. But it's about 5:20 in the afternoon, so what I'm going to be doing is go for an early night and going to be doing another early start tomorrow. Hopefully I don't sleep in tonight, but so because I'm home early tonight, it shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, everything's all fine and dandy if it goes to plan. So yeah, I'll give you another wee update tomorrow morning. Hopefully we've got 8 more 314s to film, so hopefully we can film all 8 tomorrow. If not, we're going to need to go back out on Sunday. But yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Morning guys, it's day number 3 of filming all the 314 journeys. So yes, so far I filmed half of the fleet, but I could have done more yesterday, but I was completely shattered yesterday, and plus it was too busy as well, so that's how I managed to get one done. And also I slept in, which didn't help, but because I'm up now nice and sharp, fingers crossed we get the last 8 done. If no, we'll probably need to be back out tomorrow, but see how we get on. But yeah, I reckon, I don't think I will get the last 8 done today because it's a Saturday, the trains are still going to be busy. Alright, between Glasgow to Guruk or Neilston, Newton, things like that, it shouldn't be too bad. I'll be in Glasgow for 6:10, so it shouldn't be bad until at least 1 or 2 PM, and then the trains will start to be busy because folk will be gone home from the city centre from either doing days of shopping or working and things like that. And then you get trains that are going to be busy from, you know, Guru, Neilston, Rainsby, whatever, to Glasgow. That's going to be busy all day because it's Saturday. But fingers crossed we get all the remainder 8 units done. So we're kind of looking out for this is the wee notepad I've been keeping. So as you can see, yep, 202, 203, 205, 207, 210, 211. I seen that the other day, but where did I go? 212 and 215. So yeah, 8 more units, but I'm hoping to get at least most of it done today. Minimum, it shouldn't be no less than 3 units today. But if we stick to like the shorter lines and that, like say Glasgow to Paisley Canal, Glasgow to Newston, Glasgow to Newton, whatever, if we stick to them, we should get most of it done. But the thing is, I seem to get carried away with the Gourock, because we've already found 3 Gourocks and 1 Beans Bay, because the 314's, well, some using yourselves and that, the 314's do run at 75 to 80 miles per hour, so you get full performance of the 314. But yeah, if I stick to the short journeys and that today, we should be able to get most of it done. But yeah, I better start getting ready, get all the, my bag's not even packed, and yeah. Also, there was a video, I've already published the first video on the channel, so obviously that'll be linked on the description below. Like the first 314 journey already been published on the channel. Anyway, that's that. Don't want to bore you now, so I'll give you a wee update when we get to Glasgow. Right, wee quick update while this 314 pulls in. Should be noticed we're at Glasgow Central. And this is where the required units. But we found the 314 211 from Glasgow Central to Paisley. And then we're going to go back to Paisley Canal on 314 203. So that should be cool. Yeah, we'll get some quick photos. And then jump on. That wee picture. Here we go. Aye, so yeah, we're back in Glasgow Central. Did a return trip to Paisley on 314 211. Now we're going to go back to Paisley on 314 203. So that's basically that. Yeah, anyway, I'll catch up with you. What's going on now? Alright guys, wee update for yous. I think the last time I've done one is before we got on 314 203.
The 1308 service to Glasgow Central, calling at Port Matilda, Greenock West, Greenock Central, Cartdale, Bogston, Port Glasgow, Woods Hall, Langbank, Bishopton, Paisley St James, Paisley Gilmore Street, Hillington.
I would actually take that one, but I'll explain in a minute. Aye. So yes, the last time I've done an update is before we got on the 314 203 to Paisley Canal. That was successfully done. After that we filmed another 314, so in total we've done 13. So we just need 3 more. And ironically, this is one of the ones are still needing. But let's just watch it leaving actually. So as I say, that's why the 314s are still needing. But when I got into Glasgow I've missed it, but luckily I got this one on the fast service. So, but anyway, after we did the Paisley, we found 314, 215 Glasgow to here, 314, 207, Cathcart Circle, finally 314, 210, which is that one, from Glasgow to here. So done pretty much a lot of good ups with the 314s, if I'm honest with you, but hey, the good ups and main speeds are better anyway. So yeah, I still got 205, 211, try to think, 205, 211, oh I am 202, so yeah, 202, 205, 211, that's it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing them all today. It's starting to get a wee bit busy, so I might take us back to Glasgow and we'll call it a day. Yeah, anyway, yeah. Oh, it's not here. I can't be bothered. But anyway, I'm going to take this back to Glasgow, but I'll update these, see what we get on. Alright guys, we update for these, and have a few drinks, so somehow I feel confident for doing updates. But somehow, why am I shitting myself for doing regular updates? But anyway, we are actually at Carlisle, not relevant to 314s, but I met a few pals, right, James Hensley, especially James Hensley, if that's how I pronounce your surname. If not, I do apologise, but caught up with him, caught up with a few others actually, Stevie Anderson. Wait a minute, we'll go there. It's quieter. Caught up with Stevie Anderson, Alan Plant, Connor. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce your surname. Gerard, can't pronounce his surname. Who else was with us? I do apologise if I forget, but from the last update when we were at Guruk, yeah, we took a train back to Glasgow. Not much happened anyway, so we only filmed 5 314s. So the units we're still looking for is 314, 202, 205 and 212. That's it. So that's the 3 units, but I would go out tomorrow for them, but because it's a Sunday service tomorrow, and I believe half of the units will be at Shields Depot. I decided to leave it until Monday, so I'm going to get a lie-in tomorrow. But what's that pulling in? Hi, it's not. Oh, it's a 156. Non-refurbished. There we go. A bit of English traction. But yeah, what I basically did, as soon as I get back into Glasgow, I caught up with a few pals. We did a wee return trip to Nielsen the back. I believe James Hensley. James, I do apologise if I get your surname wrong. But James Hensley wants to clear the line, if I believe it or not. After that, we went for a few beers, and me and James took the Pendolino down to Carlisle. And now, I believe that'll be my train coming in. Anyway, it's only a Pendolino. But, how many? Hold on. How many carriages? Back here, 5. Fuck off, you're going to get my set of my cash. We'll go from there. What we got? Sorry, I do need to look close just to see it. Where am I going with the camera? We have got it's a Pendolino. So it's a Pendolino, I believe. You'll probably comment correctly if it was a Voyager, but as far as I'm aware, I think it's a Pendolino. I'm glad I get new glasses on Tuesday, but yeah, we're getting this train back to Glasgow, so I'll give you a wee update when we get to Glasgow. Alright guys, we're on the Pendolino heading back to Glasgow Central. I think it's 390 110. I'm not sure, but to be honest, I'm not bothered. It's just good to see an old friend of mine, so James Hamsley. Again, I do apologise if I get your surname wrong, mate. But yeah, that's us on the Pendolino heading back to Glasgow. I'm not sure when the next update is, so I'm taking this opportunity because the train is pretty much quiet. So yeah, we're going to get the 380 home. I've got 3 more 314's to film, but I was going to do it tomorrow, but I think I'll leave it. And I know it's supposed to be a challenge, but I think I'll be sensible and save it, because I don't get much money, to be honest. I think I will. Obviously I get free travel, but it's for food wise, and that's a pathetic excuse. Well done, Ryan. James, I'm blaming you for this one. But yeah, Monday I'll definitely go out on Monday. I'll get myself up 4:30 to get into Glasgow for 6 because get a better chance of getting the last 3. I'm actually hoping all 3 of them are actually out on service because I cannot be bothered anymore after that. But needs must, I've got to do it. But yeah, I've got other plans during the weeks and that, which is going to stress me out. But because I'm working on this episode and that, I think some people will need to understand I've got it. I'm actually hoping all 3 of the last 314's gets filmed. Even the Haley and the shopping at Wish Me Luck and all that. Yeah, that's what I like about Punching Stars there. Wish Me Luck. But Haley, Birmingham based. Going up to Glasgow? No. Probably signed for it, right? But no, yeah, she gave me good luck and all that. And a big in the cheek. Happy days. I wish I actually filmed that so I can make you cunts jealous. But do not come into any conclusions. I've got a soft spot for someone, so yeah, that's between me and whoever. But anyway, we're sticking to trains. So when we get into Glasgow, plan is we'll get the 10:30 maybe. 11:30's the latest, back to Corinne. So yeah, I'll try to get a wee video of the 388, if not I'll see you on the house. Morning guys, it's day number 4 of filming journeys on all the class 314's. Sorry I've never done an update, like the final update on Saturday night. I was just completely knackered. So yeah, the minute I got in to Glasgow, went straight home to bed. But it's actually Monday morning. I decided to take the day off yesterday, but now I'm fine and dandy. I had a nice wee rest and that, and today I don't think we're going to be out for long because we've got 3 more units to get, which is 314-202, 314-205 and 314-212. So only those 3 to film, and after I've filmed them, that's it, we've done the 314's. So yeah, I've already uploaded a couple of the videos on YouTube, so obviously they'll be linked in the description below. I don't know how I'm going to link it. I might actually link the full playlist because I'm making a separate playlist because it's a different series. So yeah, it's called All the Class 314's Journeys or something like that. I need to look it up. But yeah, that playlist will be linked in the description below, and it should have all 16 journey videos. So yeah, we're hoping to get the last 3 314's, but I'm hoping it doesn't take us too long. I think it should just take us at least up to the morning, and then that's that. But anyhow, I'll give you a wee update when we get to Glasgow. So yep, I'll see you. Alright guys, a wee quick update. We're at Guruk. Haven't filmed anything yet, but yeah, got a first 314. Well, 14th unit. So we've got 314-202. Going to film that from here to Glasgow. Then we've got 205. That's going to Wayne's Bay. All one still looking for is 212. But I get a feeling that's in the depot, so unfortunately I probably need to go back out tomorrow and film that. But anyway, I'll give you a wee update out later on. And hope, fingers crossed we find 212. Alright guys, we're back in Glasgow Central. Unfortunately, 314212 is at the depot, it's not running today. So I'm going to need to call it a day and head back home to Kilwinning. And I think this should be our train, 38011. But I actually wanted my rate to be 212. I think that's leaving, hold on. There we go. Wait a, hold on. Yep, train's gone. Try to get as many departures for you guys. So yes, the plan is we're going to take the train back home to Kilwinning and just call it a day. There's a blue one over there. Right, I'm zooming in so I can see the number. Missed it. Let's try to get by the side numbers. Nah, couldn't see that either. Yep. Doesn't matter. What we'll do is we're just going to take a train back home to Kilwinning. I'll go back out tomorrow for 212 if it's running, but it would need to be a late start for us because I need to go and pick up my new specs. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you all when we get in this. If not, I'll update you tomorrow. Alright guys, wee bit of bad news. I have filmed 314212, but unfortunately I have accidentally deleted the footage. So we need to go back into Glasgow, get it filmed, but at least I know it's running today. It's on the Cathcart Circle lines and it's Christmas Eve, so this is going to be fun. But let's see how we get on. But yeah, it's just going to be a fact of getting into Glasgow, film that 314 and head straight back home. Oh, fucking nightmare. This is what you need on a Christmas Eve. Oh well. But hey, at least it's just a quick trip and that, so it shouldn't take us too long. So yeah, I will see yous all. But we're continuing with this episode anyway, but yeah, I think bear in mind the next upload, which will be it's already been filmed, but the next video diary is the last video diary of series 2. But it might be a bit of a mess now because I have to film this one today. But anyhow, we're continuing. I don't know how I'm going to sort this. We'll just make it in one big diary. But anyhow, I will see you all when we sorry about the blurriness, it's a blue one. Will it be my train? Will it be 314212? I think it is. Oh. I just can see better, but I can't. It is. 314212. That didn't take us long. So, yep. Newton it is. So I'll see you at Newton. Weekly update please. 314212 from Newton to Glasgow. We've managed to film the journey from Glasgow to Newton. So fingers crossed this we didn't lose out on this. I think we're on the junction now. No, past it. Take us back to Glasgow, then take the 4 o'clock service back to Kilwinning. So yeah. Alright guys, we just arrived back into Glasgow Central. This will be a train heading back to Kilwinning, and there's an E38. Fuck knows where that's gone. But we're on this one, we've got a full 7 car unit, so it's 108 at the front and 021 at the rear. So yeah, this will be our last train before it's actual Christmas Day. as I said earlier, it's Christmas Eve. So yep, I will see you all when we get back to. Well, I heard a voice job, but anyway, I'll see you all when we get back to Kilwinning. Alright guys, that's us no long in. Successfully filmed the last 314 today. Fingers crossed we don't lose this lot. But I got another confession as well that I forgot to mention. Is I filmed a vintage bus journey. Lost that. Oh, silly me. Telling you guys. But onwards and upwards. Just to remind you, this is the 400 sub special, and we're actually almost halfway through for 500. We're at 443 subs, so yeah, I'd like to thank you all for the support for this channel. I think after this series I'm going to give the channel like a revamp. Just make it look a wee bit better. I don't know, we'll see. But before they filmed the last video diary for this series, it's just a shame we had to film 314212 again today. But on the plus side, since I was doing all the 314s, the only line we've not done is the lines between what do you call it? Yeah, lines between Langside and Newton. That's the only part of the line we've not filmed. So, at least on the plus side, we managed to film that one. So now all 16 314s have been filmed. Better not lose this footage. The rest of the videos are being edited. There's just 2 more to be uploaded onto YouTube. But yeah, it should be fine and dandy. And I forgot if I'm not sure if I mentioned, but we have filmed the last video diary for this series. We took a trip to Aberdeen on the Turbo Star, so that will be on the next episode. But because it's Christmas Eve, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas when this is uploaded, it'll be past Christmas anyway, so I hope Santa's good to you all. I'll probably repeat this in the next diary as well, but hope Santa's good to you all, and yeah, I will see you all in the final episode. So yeah, I'll see you all later on.